That black yo magic, 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 black yo magic, that black yo magic. Princess.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Glow Princess and I'm back at it again with a new video. Today's video is going to be a hair tutorial slash review slash style and apply. I'll be showing you guys how I easily apply my glueless wig. Literally the easiest step ever. So let's go ahead and get started with this. The wig that I'll be showing you guys today is from UNice Hair. You guys are very familiar with them on my channel because I've worked with them a couple. When I say a couple, I mean a lot of times. The wig that I'll be showing you guys today is the Brazilian 13x4 26-inch straight lace front wig. It comes with a transparent lace. The wig comes pre-plucked with slight baby hairs. It's 180% density. So yeah, this is pretty much what their packaging looks like. It's just a regular box. It just says UNice Hair on it, and this also came with some mask. You guys, I know it's literally like a shortage in stores, like at the CVS, grocery stores. You literally can't find anywhere. So when you order your wig, it comes with masks. They actually sent me like 100 of these so I can never run out. In this pack, it has like probably like 15 or 20. No, it has 10. So which I think right now it's so like thoughtful because it's really needed. The more you have, the better. So yeah, it comes with masks. I'm about to go ahead and open this box. So inside the box, you will find your wig in a plastic bag. You will also find an extra wig strap, a couple thank you cards, and return labels, a wig cap. So that's pretty much all that you will find in a box. I'm about to go ahead and see what the wig is looking like. I haven't had straight long hair in a minute. I've been doing bobs and like blonde and body waves, so it was about time for me to go back to the silky straight. So this is what the wig looks like, and as you guys can see straight out the bag, she's super soft and silky. I mean, look at that. Like, oh my gosh, she's really silky. I do wish that I would have gotten a 150 because you guys know I really love my wigs, especially when it's like a straight texture, that is like 150 because I feel like it looks more natural. This looks really bomb. Like, this wig, you guys, is so pretty. Look at this. Look how natural and pretty this looks right here. Like I said, it comes slightly pre-plucked with baby hairs. Look at this lace, you guys. I'm obsessed, and I love that the baby hairs are like a nice length. This is the inside. It comes with 4 combs, 1 2 3 4, and also adjustable straps on the bottom, and it also comes with extra straps in the bag. But back to this hair, like, what, you guys? So silky, super soft, like no tangles whatsoever. Like, it doesn't tangle at all, doesn't even shed. So pretty. This wig comes with no parting, so you could go ahead and party wherever you want to. The lace is transparent. The density is 180. It's a 13x4 lace front wig. So I'm about to go ahead and cut this lace off and apply her because I'm really excited to see how she's gonna look like on me. You guys, so this is what the wig looks like on after I cut the lace off, and as you guys can see, this is what the lace looks like. I don't really leave a lot of lace because I don't install the wig, so I want it to look as natural as it can. So I just literally cut around the hairline, and it'll be like a little bit of lace left. If you are patient and you know how to do it, I would recommend you guys plucking it because it will like naturally push the hairline back so it look even more natural. But I don't pluck my wigs, so I don't do that. I literally just like do what I do. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and as you guys can see, this hair looks so pretty. It's super silky. I was a little worried because it's 180% density, and usually I don't like my straight wigs to be that full, but it's actually not crazy full. Like, it's not too full to the point where I'm bothered. I actually could deal with this density. I really like it. I love the fact, like, and I think this is jet black hair. So it looks really black, and I love that. Usually when I get straight black wigs from other companies, they'll be like, you know, a 4, like a brown, like a dark brown. This is literally black. Like, I think this is jet black. It looks so freaking good. Like, y'all, as you guys can see, you can flip it to the side, you could wear a middle part, and it still looks pretty. Like, I'm so in love with this hair. I'm in love with this wig. Like, this wig is it. So pretty. This is super long. I haven't had long hair like that in a minute, and I miss it so much. Oh my god, it looks so good. This is about to be my everyday wig. I love it. The extra, the silkiness, it just flows perfectly on its own. I'm honestly obsessed. And this is a 13x4 lace, so you can install this wig. You could glue it down, you can style it however you want to. I don't install my wigs, I don't glue them. I literally just pop it on and rock it as it is. But I really love, and I'm pretty sure this is a cap size small because it fits literally perfect on my scalp. Like, it's not loose or whatever. I adjusted the straps on the back, so like it's really just hugging my head. Fits perfect. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and finish up this look. I will see you guys once the look is completed.
From the day I saw you, I really want to catch your eye. There's something special about you, and I must really like you. There's not a lot of guys that worth my time. Oh, baby, it's getting kind of crazy. 'Cause you are taking over my mind, and it feels like, ooh, but you don't know my name. I swear, it feels like, you don't know my name. Will you ever know? Oh, baby, I see us on the first date. You're doing everything that makes me smile. And when we had our first kiss, it happened on a Thursday. And ooh, it set my soul on fire. Oh, baby, I can't wait for the first time. My imagination's running wild. Feels like, ooh, but you don't know my name. And I swear it, baby, feels like, ooh, you don't know my name. Will you ever know?
I'm saying, he don't even know what he's doing to me. I'm feeling all crazy inside. I'm feeling like,
I'm doing more than I've ever done for anyone's attention. Take notice of what's in front of you, 'cause did I mention you about to miss a good thing? And you'll never know how good it feels to have all of my affection. And you'll never get a chance to experience my loving, 'cause my loving feels like, ooh, but you don't know my name. And I swear it feels like, ooh, you don't know my name. Oh, will you ever know it? No. Will you ever know it? Getting ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Yo, is it? Are you kidding me? Good, yeah. So them a story. That's how our blessings upon me. And that's how I made it give him the glory. I'm delighted. Jah knows I'm a person ignited. By the music get me excited. I'm coming like a boss. Blessings all for my life and but thank God for the journey, the earnings, not just for the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, this is blessings fall time I ride on. Cause I go see the friends that take off every load. One time kids sit down in a class and we board then only said the road and we go on with the road.
Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I was telling you guys throughout the whole video, this hair is amazing. It's super silky, really soft, and it took nothing to apply this. The wig comes pre-plucked. Like I said, this is 180% density. Just look at the shine on this wig. Like, you could tell this wig is super silky, really soft. Honestly, didn't even have to put a lot of heat on it because sis was ready to go. Like, I'm really in love with this wig. Yeah, this is the final look, you guys. It's just so pretty. I'm in love with this. It's really long. Let me show you guys. She's really long and silky. This wig is definitely a must-have. So if you're interested in purchasing this wig, which I think you should, make sure you check out UNice Hair. I will have the link to their store, to this wig, and everything you need to know down below. Make sure you guys get you one, period. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Comment, like, and subscribe.